What happens when technology subsumes humanity? When humanity is no longer defined by being human. The legendary cyberpunk classic finally comes to television in an all-new original series, Ghost in the Shell Standalone Complex. New episodes every Saturday night at 12:30. The future is now.
From the producer of Pirates of the Caribbean comes a treasure hunt.
You think there is a treasure map?
On the Declaration of Independence.
2,000 years in the making. National treasure.
Who wants to go down the creepy tunnel first?
Rated PG.
Strange twist of fate has forced Crash and the evil Dr. Cortex to team up.
And there's some sweet moves in this game, like twin spin, twin throw.
Allow us to demonstrate.
Take control of an orange daredevil and evil genius using bone-crushing team moves. Just because they're working together doesn't mean they gotta like it. Crash Twinsanity, rated E for everyone.
You thought it couldn't happen. You were wrong.
Heed the word of the space cadet.
Unlax your ears, scab. The hell's that noise?
The Aqua Teen Volume 3 DVD box set. 13 mind-numbing episodes. And enough extras and special features to make you rip your own ears off. You'll scream and scream again for the Aqua Teen Volume 3 DVD box set. The Aqua Teen Hunger Force Volume 3 2-disc DVD box set. Buy it November 16th.
Agony.
Anguish. Words that should never define the taste of your energy bar.
That's why there's Snickers Marathon, long-lasting energy bar with the great taste of Snickers. Snickers Marathon, the energy you crave.
This is the story of Tom Peters and the mayor of Jefferton. One of the greatest partnerships of all time.
Nothing can hold them back. Together. Nothing can hold them back.